Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I created this New Year's Eve look using Too Faced Gold palette. So if you guys want to learn how to recreate this look, keep on watching. Alright, let's just get his hair out of the way. First, I'm just gonna apply this lip balm. I'm going to prime my face with my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And I'm going to apply this much. And for today's foundation, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever HD foundation. Using my damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna go right in. And whatever is left in the back of my hand, I'm just going to apply it on my neck. We just want to make sure that our face matches the rest of our body. And for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And to set my concealer, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it where I tend to get oily. I really want this look to look flawless, and also I want it to last all night. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some setting spray in between. So for today's look, I'm going to be using Too Faced Chocolate Gold Metallic Palette. This one is a limited edition. This just came in the mail yesterday, so I'm very excited to play with it today. I'm very excited to create this New Year's Eve look using this gorgeous palette right here. So beautiful. The first shade I will be picking up is this shade called So Bougie. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep that all over the lid. Next, I will be picking up the shade Cocoa Truffle. And I'm just going to go ahead and focus that on the outer corner of the eye. And to deepen that area a little bit more, I'm going to pick up this shade Decadent. I'm not going to apply too much, just a little bit. Next, I'm going to pick up the shade Chocolate Gold, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing it on the lid. With a clean blending brush, I'm going to go back in with the shade So Bougie. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up this area right here. Then I'm picking up the shade Rolling in Dough to highlight my brow bone. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Inkwell liner by Kat Von D. And for lashes, I will be using my favorite pair of lashes by House of Lashes. And to finish up the eye, I'm just going to pick up the shade Cocoa Truffle. And I'm going to pick up the shade Rich Girl for the inner corners. Wow, that's so pretty. Wow, they really just tied in the eye look, you guys. That is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes using my M Cosmetics eyeliner. And to finish up the eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a coat of mascara in the bottom lashes. So now we're done with the eye, let's move on to our face. And for bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Too Faced bronzer for this look. I'm also going to go ahead and contour my nose as well. Well, my battery died, so I don't know where I stopped, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue with my blush. And for today's blush, I'm going to use my current favorite by Morphe. It's in the shade Spirit. It has a little bit of shimmer into it. It's really nice. And for today's highlighter, I'm going to be using this one by Ofra. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip with my NYX lip liner. And for my lip color, I'm going to go with this one by KKW Beauty in the shade Twinning. And I'm going to set my face again with my MAC Prep and Prime. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment down below and hit the thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!